Banyada yaki kena skul kinong tre bat kinong hikai naka Jingshit Kyrang ka Mariang hakini kitayo Khubor Senshar District West Garo Hills kilapan bena Mardor ban Pynkylla ya kapor long skul nadu ka arpo khandai tarik yayong hadu shi tarik ujemang kanlong no nadu kapor ndriu shi teng baji menstep hadu kapor shi phau baji lakhang bat mana teng ya baro ki skul ban penlong hakapor ka baju long kata khatwe baji menstep hadu lai baji janmin. Kani ka hukum kalong na kabanta baro ki skul nadu nursery hadu ki higher secondary school. Laai boru ya kinong penyat skul ban khang Shipor ya ki skul lada Eden kam da ka ba pentip Khubor Senshar district katkum ka Shillong ka Mariang. Kani ka hukum kantre kam Mardor nadu ka arpo khandai tarik yayong hadu shi tarik jemang. Kani ka hukum kam kta ya ki college ki coaching class bat ki we ki jaka pule ki bakham hajram.
We have given a partial relief to the schools during this during these moments of high temperature in the Tura town area. Today, all the schools have been asked to disperse the classes from 10 a.m. onwards. As today was also the school nutrition day, so we did not close down on the schools for today. However, all the classes were asked to be dispersed by 10:30 a.m. For tomorrow and day after tomorrow, all the LP schools and the nursery schools have been asked to shut down or close down. All the UP, the secondary and the higher secondary schools have been asked to proceed for classes between 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. only, and as per their convenience, as per their choice of the timing of this period, so that to ensure that we do not have any classes ongoing between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. This is keeping in mind that education in itself is not about attending the schools. It is also about getting the quality education where the children can participate in a good environment for learning. Furthermore, we are, as per the IMD bulletin, the Indian Meteorological Department's bulletin, we are anticipating a bit of good winds and a little bit of rain post or starting from 1st of May. And we are hoping that this order does not have to be extended. However, if need be and whenever need be, we will be taking requisite action in this regard, taking into account the future prediction of the weather and the current temperature in the district level. There was also the scheduling of the National Deworming Day on 1st of May, which has now been asked to be for the LP schools and the nursery classes. The responsibility has been laid on the headmaster or the principal of the school concerned to either prepone it for today or to postpone it to 2nd of May for the mop-up exercise of the National Deworming Day, which is an important action to be taken by every student, every child, and I hope that everybody is taking steps into this regard. With respect to the heat, furthermore, we would like to urge everybody to ensure that you do not go out of houses unnecessarily if there is hot weather outside. When you are doing, please carry caps and umbrellas. Always carry water with you so that there is no possibility of dehydration to your body. The schools who are conducting the classes during this period shall have the provision of ORS as well as glucose in their premises, and whenever required, they should be able to give it to the children or give to the students who are under the weather because of the heat. Lastly, if there is any situation where the temperature or where the condition of the child has been escalated, then they should take them to the nearest health facility as soon as possible. In addition to the provisions of this order we have to ensure that this also goes out to other institutions. This, however, does not limit the institution's own authority to decide whether they would like to keep the offices or the schools closed as per the local conditions with an intimation to the official of the education department. And we do take into consideration that some schools might feel the need to, taking into account the weather that is going on. All the educational institutions which are in the early morning shifts from 6:30 to 9:30 or 10:30 a.m. or in the evening and night shifts will be unaffected by this order. They can continue to be operational as it is and as per their usual schedule. All the higher educational institutions, including colleges or training institutions, shall also be running as usual. It is again left to the office concerned or the authorities of the management of the institute concerned to take a call whether they like to limit the timing of the periods that they are organizing classes for, or close down the institutions, again with an intimation to the government official, the education official concerned. With this, I believe that some of the younger kids will at least have respite in this hot weather. I again urge everybody to not conduct or not go out for outdoor activities or sports activities during the warm period of 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and ensure that they take due care about the hydration of their bodies. We have to fight the heat, and for this you should be well aware about the steps that you should take. Please go through the advisories that are issued by the district administration and share it with your friends and families as soon as possible. My best wishes to everybody in this weather.